What's up, everyone? Welcome to Program Your Remote. Today I'm going to show you how to remove the spare tire from a Hyundai Santa Fe. This is a 2019, but it'll be the same on several different years. So the spare tire is located underneath the vehicle in the rear. You can see a shot of it there. And in order to get that down, we need to go in the back of the vehicle, open the back hatch, and then this first storage compartment, we'll open that. And now we see our jack and a few other items in here. The only thing they don't include that you're gonna need to do this is a flathead screwdriver in order to get this cap off. If you don't have a flathead screwdriver, you could always use a quarter or some kind of coin in the slot. But I'm gonna go ahead and just use the screwdriver. So get that off, set that to the side. Now you can see this nut is exposed here. We're gonna grab this piece here and we're gonna put the bigger end on the nut. Then we're gonna grab the handle for the jack, place on here like this. And now you need to loosen it. Turn it counterclockwise, and that is gonna lower the tire. And keep cranking it until you feel the tire hit the ground and the pressure will come off. It'll get easier to crank. Okay, so once you feel it lighten up there and we look under here, you can see it's sitting on the ground now. And there's this cable here with a piece in the middle that holds the tire. You just get a hold of it and then turn it straight up and it'll come out of there like that. And that's it. Spare tire's out of there. To get the tire back in there, you'll take this and you need to put it straight up and down. Put it straight up and down to get it in the hole. And then it'll pull up and sit flat. Then you just crank this back up. Turn it to the right to crank it up. That's it, pretty simple. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.